Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to see how in WordPress WPAMS, which is WordPress Apartment Management System, you can add a new unit, add a new member, as well as how you manage your as a property manager, how you can manage the whole property as well as the members in the property. So let's just check it out. So once you log in into the WPAMS, you will see the dashboard like this, and then the left side menu you will have residential unit or commercial unit. So you can click on the unit plus icon, and then add a new building altogether by clicking on add, or you can just select the existing building. Unit category is office, so which is commercial or residential, you can select that. You can also add the unit name and the size in square meters. So all these square meters or yards you can control from the settings menu. So we've just added a new residential unit over here, uh, and it's a building name also we have given. So we have just added the unit. Now we're going to add a member in this particular unit. So the new member has arrived in this unit, whether it's owner or it's a tenant. The process is same. So we're gonna just in member type we can select owner or tenant occupied by. So that's how you actually manage that this particular unit is being occupied by the owner or tenant. So we're gonna add the tenant's detail over here: Wendell Joseph, first name, last name, date of birth, the gender, and the mobile number, the email ID and password. So the members, whoever is occupying the property, whether it's owner or tenant, they are able to log into the system. Remember, one unit can have multiple users that can log into the system. So your owner that you are assigned to the system is a different user role altogether, so they can also log into the system as well as tenant. And then there is owner family and tenant family. So there are different user roles that we can use over here and add the member. So we just added this one tenant in the system. Add a new member like this. So here we have Mendel Joseph. This is tenant, table 206. Is the unit name we have given. So we can just go and check that. Right, so we just added a tenant now, and we're gonna see how the family member looks like for this tenant. So we're gonna so these are the fields, and you can drop from the drop down. There is a tenant family, but we can also upload a document for this particular tenant. So maybe there is a rent agreement that we can use. So as a member, I think we need to upload that rent agreement that for the records. So we can just select those things that this is a rent agreement for this particular property unit. So we can just select the category that this is a kind of rent agreement or government proof, your social security details or anything like that if you want to collect those details for this particular member. So we just added a new category which is rental agreement, and now we're gonna upload a particular rental agreement for this particular unit, and just select it from that local drive and then click on add document. So we just added a rental agreement for the unit which is A206. So there it is, and we can just find it in the list and click on view document, and there is a rent agreement that we just uploaded. So this is how you manage the members as well as unit. And then you have the maintenance charges for your housing colony, housing association. So it can be monthly charge, it can be one-time charge, it can be quarterly. So the system allows you to define all these different kind of charges, right? And it has different type as well. So you can just select the building name, category, the unit, and things like that, and you can just there is one-to-one charge you can create, as well as you can create for the whole building. So whole building might have number of apartments or number of residential units. You can create a charge for them, or you can create a charge for individual member, right? So we're gonna just add some charge. So we're just writing a rent as a charge, but ideally it's a maintenance charge that you can add in the system. So we have added all the details. Now we're gonna click on add charges. So charges has been added for this particular member. So you can add the charge like this, and then you can also generate the invoices for particular user or for the whole unit. So we have just clicking on from the accounts and left side invoices. We have one invoice. We click on view detail. it will show you the invoices that has been created for that particular member. So this is how. Let's just go to dashboard. So this is how you actually add a new unit, newer apartment building in the system, as well as new member with its owner or tenant. It's easy to add, and then you can always add charges and the invoices. Thanks for watching the video, and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.